Greetings. My name is Charlie Baker, Mayor of Tobago. Today, I will be addressing you briefly on the topic tropical storms, mitigation, preparation, and response. Your safety is my priority. Your safety is our priority. You cannot stop a tropical storm, but you can take steps now to protect yourself and your family. What then is a tropical storm? A tropical storm is an upgraded tropical depression with stronger wind speeds 39 to 73 miles per hour. This is accompanied by heavy rainfall considerably more than that of a depression. As a result, the possibility of flooding and intense wave activity is greater. How can we reduce the severity? Mitigation. We will inspect buildings and houses, ensure that they meet the building codes. Land use policies should be adhered to. Knowledge is power. We will educate the citizens on what can be done to reduce risks. We will relocate at-risk communities, those living in low-lying surge-prone areas. Riverbank protection and drain cleaning will take place. This is to control flooding. We will strengthen our roofs so that they are secure in the event of this natural disaster. Now, getting prepared. We will develop disaster preparedness plans for what to do, where to go, who to call for help. We will host training sessions, carry out drills. This will be done across social and economic institutions through Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM. We will identify around the home possible vulnerabilities to strong winds. We will get rid of them. Trim trees and branches. You need to ensure you have emergency items such as water, flashlights, batteries, battery-operated radios, matches, first aid kits, and non-perishable food items. Ensure you know a safe shelter. Secure properties, batten down windows, clear your yard of debris, and prepare to evacuate. So you must have an evacuation plan. Know the evacuation route, right? Now, response. The immediate aftermath. Take actions to protect yourself and your family, animals, and others. Conduct search and rescue missions. See who is in need of help, see how you can help, or how you can call the response team. Assess damage, implement disaster response plans, later conduct repairs, restore utilities, and clean up. Also, it is never wise to walk in flood water as you could be electrocuted. Avoid flooded areas. I hope that the next time there is a tropical storm watch, that you will be better prepared. Listen to information from credible sources such as the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management and from other government institutions. Disaster preparedness or hazard mitigation is cheaper than disaster response. Act now. Thank you. Tropical storms, be alarmed because we must remain unharmed. Tropical storms, be alarmed because we must stay unharmed. We have to mitigate, prepare, and respond. But first, we must inform the nation. We have to mitigate, prepare, and respond. But first, we must inform the nation. Mitigate, prepare, respond.
Basically, a tropical storm is a cyclonic storm which carries sustained winds ranging between 39 to 73 miles per hour or 63 to 117 kilometers per hour. It's characterized by a low-pressure center with thunderstorms accompanied by strong winds and heavy rains. The impact of tropical storms may result into damage of properties, physical injuries, and even deaths. It pays to be ready in such eventuality. Before the storm, monitor the weather conditions from your local weather station through mainstream and social media. Be informed at all times. Make sure that the place you're staying is capable to withstand strong winds and heavy rains. It helps to check roofs for leaks and other parts of your house for damage. Have your survival kit ready. This may include first aid kits, flashlight, cell phone, batteries, whistle, power banks, and other important items. It might be old school, but investing in a two-way radio is very helpful, especially when other communications are down. Stock enough food that's not easily spoiled, like canned goods, biscuits, nuts, and other food with long shelf life. We can survive without food for a few days, but not without water. Make sure that you have enough source of drinking water. Place pertinent documents in waterproof containers. Clothes should be placed in plastic bags. Coordinate with local authorities for possible evacuation. If advised to do so, never hesitate to evacuate. When evacuating, switch off the main power source of the house and unplug all electrical devices. Lock all doors and windows. Don't forget to bring money just in case. During the storm. During the actual storm, keep calm and stay indoors. Continuously monitor the weather from your local weather station through mainstream and social media. If electrical power is down, make use of battery-operated transistor radio to check the news. Keep away from flooded areas unless you want to catch leptospirosis or fall into a manhole. If trained, you may sign up for rescue missions, but if not, please stay dry and safe. Stay at home. After the storm. Before attempting to go out of the house, double-check the weather conditions. There may be still occasional rain showers and mild winds. You can help by reporting to authorities damages in electrical wirings, public structures, and other potential hazards. When getting back to your home from the evacuation area, double-check your house for damages. Watch out for live wires. Never attempt to turn on the main power switch if you have reasons to believe that your wirings have been damaged or exposed to water. Ask a licensed electrician to fix things for you. Lastly, check on other people. We are a community, and as such, we are bound to help one another in the best way we can. It is important to always be ready for any eventuality.